Hello, my name is Mario Camardella. I'm a landscape architect, CEO, and founder of ServeScape. At ServeScape, we offer one of the largest and widest selection of locally grown plant material straight from our Georgia farmers, delivered to your door. Our roots run deep in this community. I grew up at this park. We're at Chastain Park, and this is one of our first members of the Community Ambassador Program. At ServeScape, we believe everyone should have access to the plant material to grow a beautiful and resilient landscape. Let's dig in and learn a little bit more about the Community Ambassador Program.
My name is Brian Barnes. I'm the Director of Operations and Volunteer Programs at the Chastain Park Conservancy. We've mostly used ServeScape for wildlife habitat restoration projects, also beautification projects, of course. A lot of our work has consisted of invasive plant removal, which has allowed native plants to come up in more natural areas of the park. Being a community ambassador for ServeScape has benefited the park in many ways, mostly by allowing us to increase the number of plants that we can plant in the park because I get a significant discount on those plants.
Learn more at servescape.com.